Hi guys, welcome to yet another video from Gizbot. Today in this video, let us unbox and take a first look at the Redmi Watch 2 Lite smartwatch, which was recently launched in India for 4,999 rupees. So without wasting any further time, let's do the same. Today in this video, we'll be unboxing the Redmi Watch 2 Lite smartwatch, which works with both Android and iOS devices and costs 4,999 rupees in India. This smartwatch was launched along with the Redmi Note 11 Pro series of smartphones in India. As you can see, we have the black variant of the Redmi Watch 2 Lite, which can be used with both Android and iOS devices using the apps you need to install from the Play Store or Google App Store. Again, if you look at the box, you get a warranty manual or a user manual which will help you to set up this watch with your smartphone, and you also have a magnetic charger in the box which can be used to charge the Redmi Watch 2 Lite. The company claims that the Redmi Watch 2 Lite will deliver up to 10 days of battery life on a single charge. However, if you use it in the GPS mode, the battery life will be slightly lower. This is again the USB charger which can be used with a power bank or a power adapter, or you can even use with a laptop to charge the Redmi Watch 2 Lite smartwatch. This is the black color variant of the Redmi Watch 2 Lite smartwatch, and this device is also available in two more colors. So depending on your taste, you can get either of these colors, and the smartwatch will be available on Xiaomi official channels and on Amazon. As you can see, the watch in itself comes with a compact design and it has a soft silicone strap, which is again something that we have seen on the previous Redmi watches or Xiaomi watches. And this has a square display which measures at 1.55 inch and it has HD resolution. I've actually set up the Redmi Watch 2 Lite smartwatch, and this is how the home screen looks by default. You can also change wallpapers on this, and you can also add more wallpapers from the app using your smartphone. As you can see, here are some of the features that are available on the Redmi Watch 2. It has a lot of workout modes such as swimming, playing cricket, running, walking, jogging, etc. And it also offers features like your step tracking, and it also offers real-time heart rate monitoring and real-time SpO2 monitoring. Given the current scenario, I think this makes a lot of sense on a smartwatch, especially considering the price of this device. As you can see, here are some of the watch faces that have been pre-installed on the Redmi Watch 2 Lite. As I have said, it offers up to hundreds of smartwatch wallpapers which will be available on the software that you have to download on your Android or iOS device. For more amazing videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get a notification if you upload a new video. This is Vivek signing off.